Hey y'all, it's Mary and I have lots of friend mail, and I'm also going to announce the winners from a couple of my giveaways. So I've been sort of neglectful on announcing some of them. I do have the winners for the Whisk F bags, but I'll do a separate video on that because that was somewhat sponsored by the Whisk F bag company. So in this video, I have some cards. Let me open these. This is from Miss Dee Dee. Miss Dee Dee is Wilma 2UL. Hey, Smudge. And she sent this beautiful card. And I did cut them all open so I could get in. Whoops, Smudge. Oh, this is so pretty. There's no place like Gnome for the holidays. It's cute. It's like a three-dimensional and it's sparkly, if you can see that. Smudge, you gonna sit down? And it says, may the holidays bring happiness to you and yours. Love, Bill and Dee Dee. She says her last name. And Wilma 2UL. And Dee Dee has several pets. And we like to gab back and forth on Instagram. Okay, Smudge, you'll have to sit down. You'll have to sit down. The packages just all fell. Thank you very much. I have a card from someone I don't know who this is from. Because they didn't put their name on it, they just put their address. So let me open it and see. It's a cute card. Happy holidays. Kitty cat. Oh, y'all, I want a baby so bad. Okay. All right. Oh, it says, hi, Mary. Nothing makes the season warmer than the joy of knowing you. Thank you so much for the great face masks. It's so thoughtful of you to have these giveaways. Happy holidays. Love, Dawn. Thank you so much, Dawn. Dawn won a giveaway, and she sent me a pretty card. Thank you, Dawn. That's so kind of you. I love that, and I love that. Thank you. And Dawn is a subscriber, and Wilma Dee Dee is a subscriber, but they don't have channels. And then this next one is from Betty, and Betty has does not have a channel either. Miss Betty Vick, and this one's thick. So let's see what's in here. It's a tiny little cute envelope. See that cute little sticker on there? The little kittens. Isn't that cute? And there's these. Let me just not show you these. Look at these pretty stamps. They're all elephants. So cute. Okay, let's see what this is. It says, oh, it says thank you. Thank you. And it says, Dear Mary. Now this is a long one. Thank you so much for all of the masks. I've been enjoying them. I'm so grateful that I found your channel. This is personal, y'all, so I'm not going to read it out loud. Sometimes people say nice things about me, and I just want to keep that to myself, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, Miss Betty sent me these cute things. Miss Betty finds the cutest things. Look at these. And here they are on the back. I don't know if they're stickers or if they're little, let's see what it says, designs. If they're like little notes, let's see what they are. They're zip-locked. If I can get it open, y'all, I might have to stop and figure out how to open it. No, I think I got it. These are precious. I think they're little cards. Oh my goodness, are they? These are little cards. Aren't they the cutest things? These are little sheep. Little sheep. But I think they're cats and a sheep. I don't know. I think they're little kitty cats and little rabbit heads. Little rabbit, it's not a sheep. And these are just precious little pieces of paper. Little kitty catties. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that one. These don't have, they don't have any face. You can write on them or make your own little face. You can use these for place cards. These are adorable little paw prints. Where'd you get these, Vicky? Vicky finds the cutest things. Some more paw prints. And here's some more of the faceless cats that you can make these like little place settings and things, and little kitties. These are precious. They're little cardboards. They're like, they're just adorable. Thank you, Vicky. Oh my goodness, that is the cutest thing ever. Y'all can find some of the best stuff. I mean, really. Smudge, are you coming over here? This is a bonus item if you are playing along with the Christmas treasure hunt. I have this little bonus item. This is a candle. It's a Christmas candle. It has Santa with glasses on there, sunglasses on. He's all cool. It says Merry Christmas. And it says that it's in the scent Spring. smells good. It's sweet. It's a sweet flowery scent. So bonus item if you're playing along with that game. And then I have some more things that fell because of smudge. Thank you very much. Oops, sorry y'all. Okay, so there are 2 packages from Amazon. And I was told by Misty, a wonderful subscriber and friend, that she was sending me some things. They're heavy, y'all. I did pull the strip on them. And usually inside there's a piece of paper that'll say, you know, something on it. Let's see. It sort of tells you, you know, what they got you. And then it says, Merry Christmas from Misty Dickerson. And Misty has a channel, and she doesn't really post much on it, but I'll put it below. She recently changed her name. It's Moon. I'll put it below because I don't remember. Isn't that terrible? I'm sorry, Misty. Don't be mad at me. She doesn't post very much. We talk a lot on Instagram. She's a dear friend of mine. I talk to her every day. We talk every day, y'all. And I don't know what she sent me, but it's funny because Misty is a psychic. And I don't remember how she found me. She found me through some other channels that you know, we sort of say, hey, go watch this channel, go watch that channel. And she found me and we become really good friends. But I don't do any of that kind of stuff. But Misty does. And, you know, she has a great life and she's a wonderful person. And, you know, it's just not my cup of tea, but it's her cup of tea. So we just are good friends, really good friends. So this is Hyaline and Dora. It says a really pretty package. I did cut this while I was talking. It says, I don't know what, it's something about a crystal or something. Let's see. This is wrapped very nicely. Ooh, it's something really cool. Look at that. Oh, it's got a, let me see. It's in here very tightly. It looks like a crystal ball or something. Uh-oh. I need to be careful with this because I don't want to break it. It's glass. It's glass. I can tell that much. It's just really stuck in there because it has this nice thing. It's heavy glass. I'm afraid I'm going to break it, y'all. Oh, wow. It's so cool. All right, let me show you. There's this cute bag. Oh, that's the name of the brand. Look at this, y'all. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it because of the ring light. This is very heavy glass. And inside of this glass, you're like, how did they do this? There is, I don't know what you call that, an etching, but it's 3-dimensional. It's a cat. Let me see if I turn, I don't think you can see it, even if, oh, maybe that's better. All right, the ring light is off. You see the cat? Well, you can see me in there. Let me try to, Let me see if that might help. No, I don't know if that helps, but there's a cat in there. It's a sphere, a complete sphere. And there, that's catching the light from above, I think. So you can see it a little bit better. And it's a cat, and the cat's paw is up. Can you see that? Oh my goodness, Misty, that is the coolest thing. It's beautiful. Look at that, y'all. There, you can see that. That is so cool. And then it sets on this. You know, I'll put it nicely somewhere. What Misty doesn't know about me, I don't think, is I have one of my best friend that he passed away years ago. He left me some crystal balls. I have some crystal balls that were his. Oh my goodness. I just wish y'all could see this the way I'm seeing it. There are little specks in there that are butterflies. I'm just seeing that now with the lights off. I don't think you'll be able to see it because they're so tiny. Oh my goodness. Misty, that's beautiful. Oh, and then she sent me something else. Misty, that was plenty. That was plenty to send me. Let me turn the light back on so maybe you see me. Oh my goodness, Misty. I'm overwhelmed. It's from the same company. All right, hang on. And I think it probably has another little note. Oh, this one says happy birthday. Misty calls me Lady Mary. It says happy birthday, Lady Mary Catherine, your friend Misty Dickerson. Love you, sister. Oh, thank you, Misty. And it's the same company, same pretty pink box. Crystal Gifts. HD Crystal Gifts. And so it's going to be, see how it's wrapped fabulously. It's another one. Oh my goodness. All right, here is a stand. It's another one, but it's different. So let me see. Misty, I'm going to spend a fortune on this. See, this is why I don't like to tell you all about my birthday, because I don't want you to spend money on me, because I know this costs a lot of money. These are 2 kitties, and they are chased. There's a butterfly. I'm not sure that flowers, like something hanging. There's grass. Oh my goodness. Now I'll have to turn that off again so you can see. I don't think, see, the white doesn't help. I need color. Maybe the box. No, I don't think that helps, y'all. You'll see certain places. I can see it. Can you see there's 2 cats. Oh, that's good. There's 2 cats in there, and see this looks like maybe like some flowers hanging from a tree, and then here's a butterfly right there, and on the ground are poofs of grass, and they're playing, and they're 3-dimensional. That is so cool. And see, it catches the light, and sometimes when it catches the light, it looks like rainbow. Oh my goodness. Those are incredible. Oh, y'all cannot see how wonderful it is. So yeah, it's really cool. Really cool, y'all. Thank you, Misty. It's going to make me cry. So this is a stand. And then, you put it doesn't have a flat surface or anything. You have to put it just right. And then you can see the cats in there. Oh my goodness. And then the light catches it, and like rainbows go through it and stuff. Those are beautiful. Misty, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, y'all. Thank you so much, y'all. Y'all, I really messed up this video, so I had to cut it up and do this very casually just to get this done. So I apologize for the mess. If you only knew, it would make you laugh. Anyway, I want to thank Miss Dee Dee, Wilma 2U1, Dawn Lindau, and Betty Vick for the beautiful cards, and Betty for those stickers. I did look at them afterwards, and they are stickers, those cute little things. They're just adorable. So y'all will see them on some friend mail. And I just love them. Thank you so much for thinking of me, ladies. And also to my dear friend Misty, and her channel is Moon Dust Psychic Medium. And whenever I mention somebody with a channel, I always put them in my description so you can go find them if you'd like. And go see her on Instagram too. She's very inspirational and a very upbeat person. You'll really, really like her. And now I'm going to announce the winners from some of my giveaways that I have been forgetting. Not really forgetting, but just haven't had time. So I am going to do a separate video for the Whisk F bags, because I'll show those bags again, that, and there's a couple winners in there. So I have the winners from, I had 2 videos go up recently. The Anti-Black Friday, that was for some sheet masks, and I can't remember all that was in there. It wasn't a very big giveaway. The winner of that is Peach Rose, Miss Sally. And then I also had the Mask Monday collab that I did with the lovely Teresa from Tea Time Adventures, and also Dave, lovely, the very, very sweet, kind, gentlemanly, fanatic connecting guru, Dave. Dave has been connecting channels, and he just loves everybody, and he's super a super gentleman. And he's been doing this really fun Advent series where he's telling you a memory each day. I don't know how people remember so many things. If you start to tickle my memory, then I can remember things, but I can't just sit there and name off a bunch of things. But anyway, here I go off again. So we've already had something to add to our Christmas treasure hunt in this video. But if you've been this patient and made it through all the way to the end here, I've got a couple other things to add to your list, okay? So these are, the bonus items, okay? I've got, this is from Bella Pierre, the liquid eyeliner, black liquid eyeliner, and this is what it looks like. It's a lot of fun. It has a brush in there, and it's almost like a nail polish. The brush is much thinner, and you put it on that way. And this is it's a beautiful, beautiful eyeliner. It's a good one for you to practice with if you're not used to liquids. This is a good one. And also with that, I've got a ColourPop. This is a palette from ColourPop. This is She's a natural, and it is really super duper cute. And of course, it's natural, and it's in this really nice glass lucite container, really nice. And those are the colors. Nice. This is a wonderful neutral. They're all mattes, so this is a great base for many, many things. So, and this kind of thing, honestly, this is great to carry in your purse, because like this you could use if you have a blemish come up. You know, for my skin, I could use that and cover that up if I needed to. So there's different shades in there, so you can use it for different things besides eyeshadow. So that is for today, added with the other. So I hope that y'all are enjoying the Christmas treasure hunt. You know, I do have my regular treasure trove going on, and there could be other things going on. I really don't remember, because I've just been so sort of frantic and fanatic myself. So I've been hanging out with Dave too much, Mr. Guru. Anyway, y'all go see them. I'll put anybody, like I said, with a channel, I'll put them in the description for you to find them. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.